Maybe the dog just thought, if it has 4 legs, it's a dog. A bit bigger, a big dog.
Gage, your friend is here.
He ran straight to the door, and the message was clear. Adventure time! He met a friend on the street and decided to give her a place to call home.
Mis amores, ojo con la grosería, Chalo. Ojo con la grosería, Chalito. Ven, Samuel.
When your dog brings the whole squad home, and mom knows everyone's name.
You want to go see the bunny? You want to go see the bunny? Let's go see the bunny. Go see the bunny.
Is this exactly how we act when we meet our secret crush?
What is happening? Toby, come here, dude. Toby, what's on you? Holy fucking shit.
Mom, this is my new friend. Isn't she cute?
We have great new neighbors, and every night we have a knock scratch at our door.
Hello. Oh, hello. What do you want? Do you want your friend to come out? Do you want Chewy to come out? Chewy, come, you have a friend.
Ignore the mess. Darlin and Chubarka love hanging out.
The most polite neighborhood kid rang the bell and asked if your dog could come out. Now the boy knows who really owns the house.
Sadie. What are we going to do with this? I can't believe it's nursing off of her. This is what... Sadie Bell.
Looks like she's officially become that fawn's mom.
Oh my God! Whose dog's this, eh? That's our chicken, mate. Come on. Drop. Come here. Oh.
The boy thought it was a game of chicken. Too bad the chicken's owner didn't think so.
Yeah. Jesus, you guys get along.
He's a shy boy, but this is what happens when he decides it's time to act. When your dog joins the cow club, daily meetings are mandatory. This eager visitor just wanted to come play, but the dog's wondering what mom's gonna say about this. Maybe this guy is just trying to get attention from his tiny backyard buddy.
Oh my God!
He looked scared of the bear until he remembered, wait, I'm behind glass. The first time we met, he acted like the bird was about to explode. Kindness doesn't need words. Just look at how they are together. This little girl just got adopted by a dog who thinks he's still a puppy.
Doesn't want your toy.
You know it's real friendship when the toy gets shared without hesitation.
Yeah, she doesn't want your toy. I usually get it for you.
When you tell the kitten not to fight the dog, but it doesn't listen at all. Looks like the dog just made friends with a kitten, and now he's sprinting.
My dog ran away with the pig.
Looks like two best friends just skipped class to hang out in the yard. Don't ask why, but this dog's best friend is a ferret, and they totally vibe.
Dela não é de comer.
Levava mordida da minha, isso sim.
He really thought he scared the horse. Free neck care service for four-legged friends. No appointment needed.
Candy, want me out? Candy.